grade. I'm Detorio, your teacher for today. Welcome back to our mathematics session. Today, we are going to learn about a very helpful lesson that's solving percentage through problem solving. So, have you ever shopped and noticed a 20% off label? Or try to calculate how many of your exam scores you got corrected. That's percentage. And today, we'll be learning to solve everyday problems with them. But don't you worry if it seems complicated because teacher Angeline, together with teacher Lea, teacher Sherica, and teacher Nur will going to explain it step by step. And we'll practice together so that you will feel confident and prepared. So, what are you waiting for? Take out your paper and pencil and let's begin solving percentage problems like math experts. Are you ready, kids? I can hear you. Are you ready, kids? Very good. Let's start.
Hello there students, I am Angeline Marcial. So the first method we will use is the proportion method. We use this when we want to compare parts to a whole. The problem is, what is 30% of 200? Step 1. What does 30% mean? So it means 30 out of 100. So we write 30 over 100. Step 2. Set up a matching fraction. We want to find out what number is 30% of 200. Let's say the number is x. So we write 30 over 100 is equal to x over 200. Step 3. Let's cross multiply. So now, multiply like this. 30 times 200 is equal to 6,000. Then 100 times x is equal to 100x. So step 4. Divide to get the answer. So, now, divide 6,000 by 100. So, 6,000 divided by 100 is equal to 60. So, 30% of 200 is 60. Easy, right? You just match the fraction, multiply across, and divide.
Hello, Mathematic kids! I am teacher Lea Cellin, and today I will going to share with you on how to solve percentage through problem solving using multiplication methods. Now, get your pen and paper and let's start solving. The problem is, what is 20% of 80? So, the normal way that usually used is you convert the numbers into decimal point. But today, I will going to share with you a simplest and easiest way to solve using the multiplication methods. So, 20% of 80, you just cancel the 0 and then 0, and then you just multiply 2 times 8. So 2 times 8 is equal to 16. So 20% of 80 is 16. Very good. So easy, right?
Hello kids, are you still alive? It's your teacher Sherica, back again with another exciting and a very easy method to solve percentage problems. And it is called unitary method. Are you ready? Okay, here is the step-by-step procedure on how to solve percentage problem using this unitary method. Let's say, for example, our problem is a shop sold 600 pencils. How many is 35% of the total pencils sold? So, in step 1, we must understand the problem. We need to find 35% of 600. So, using the unitary method, we will first find what 1% of 600 is. And then in step 2, we are going to find the 1%. So, we divide 600 by 100. 600 divided by 100, it will give us 6. So the 1% of 600 is equal to 6. And then step 3, we are going to multiply it by 35. So now we know 1% is 6. We multiply that by 35 to find the 35%. So 6 times 35 is equals to 210. So our final answer is 35% of 600 is equal to 200 pencils. So, did you get it? That's it. See, the unitary method is as easy as 1, 2, 3, right? First, you must divide to find the 1%. Second, multiply by the percentage unit. And then 3, done. Now, it's your turn to try. So try to solve this problem. A school has 800 students. How many students is 25% of the school population? Remember, first find the 1% of 800 and then multiply it by 25. So write your answer on your notebook. That's all, class.
Hello, my dear students. I am Nur-janna Mahruf. So now let's learn about this another method called successive percentage change. The problem is Simon invests 100 pesos in a savings account. In year 1, the interest rate is 20%. In year 2, the interest rate is 30%. So we're going to calculate the overall interest rate over the 2 years. So a 20% increase while the original amount is worth 100%. We're adding on to that 20%, so the overall value is now 120%. And we know percentage means divided by. So that is 120 divided by 100 is 1.2. So multiplier by increase 20% is 1.2. In year 2, the interest rate is 30%. Again, 100% plus 30% will give us 130%. So 130% divided by 100% will give us 1.3. So for us to get the overall interest rate, we're going to multiply it. So 100 pesos investment times 1.2 for your first year and times 1.3 for your second year. And that gives us an overall amount of 156 pesos. So 100 pesos as a original amount, so it give you a 56% increase overall. So the answer is 56%.